Morning traders, John Caruso coming to you here for November 24th with your currency update for the morning. First, we'll take a look in the overnight. We got a little bit of a black swan event going on right now with Turkey shooting down a Russian fighter jet in the overnight. That had stocks off about 1% early this morning, but that move is actually starting to fade. We also did see the GDP revisions come out today. GDP came in at 2.1%. That's in line with expectations, and that's up from the previous reading of 1.5%. So a little bit on the plus side there, albeit we still see growth slowing here in the United States moving forward. Personal consumption actually came in as a miss, 3% versus 3.2, and consumer confidence bombed. That came in at 90.4 versus a previous reading of 99.1. Looking back at yesterday, we did see PMI come in weak as well at 52.6. The market was looking for 54.5, and existing home sales missed as well. So all in all, I still feel the economic news stinks, quite frankly, to be honest with you. Now, how is that relating to the currency markets? Right now, we actually do have the dollar. We tested the lows in the overnight. We tested some support at 99.50. Currently, we're trading right around 99.80, down 5 points on the morning. It's not going to be shocking to see that market turn up and retest that par level by the close today. I still ultimately have a target up around 101. Now, obviously, what's been fueling the dollar has been the repeated hawkish talk by the Federal Reserve. It still looks as if they are going to move forward in December with an interest rate hike of 0.25%. However, they still mention that they are data dependent, so nothing is for sure at the moment. We still have an immediate upside target about 101 before we feel the dollar is a little bit overbought. Looking at the Euro's garnering some support this morning from a positive reading on a German business index. However, we are seeing that move fade a little bit here this morning. We're at 106.33. That's up 6 ticks on the morning. Ultimately, we do see that slipping back through 106 here in the near term. British pound, 150.58. You've got terror threats on the rise in London right now, which perhaps has some investors moving away from the British pound. We don't really see any support until that 150 mark in the British moving forward. So real quick, looking at the Canadian and the Aussie, we do see the two primary commodity currencies catching a little bit of a bid this morning here off of the pop in gold as well as the pop in oil, circling back to the Turkey shooting down the Russian fighter jet in the overnight. So we're seeing some of the safe havens pop a little bit this morning. We are seeing some of these moves start to fade. If you want any more commentary on any of the other currencies, feel free to give me a call at 800-669-5354. Good luck.
Be suitable for all investors.